Hello students, welcome back in the third part of the same topic, that is decimal multiplication. Now we will learn something different. I think you are clear with the part in which we were having one part with decimal and one with the whole number, right? But this time we will have both the numbers in decimal form. Again, we will form the same method, okay? Let's try this example. So step 1, you will write the numbers without decimal, okay? So 41 and 27. Fine. Step 2, again we will find the product. Good. Okay, let's find the product now. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Now we will put a 0 here, and then 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. Excellent. Now we will add. So our answer is 7. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, right? So this is our answer. So see, we can write here 1107. This is our answer. Now what will you do? Step 3, which will give you your final answer. Write this 1107. Now count how many total digits are there after the decimal in both the numbers, including both. So one digit here and one digit here, right? So in total you have two digits after decimal, right? So in your final answer there should be two digits after the decimal. So where will you put your decimal? Before two digits, 1, 2, and here. Excellent. So what is your final answer? 11.07. Okay, so this is our final answer, 11.07. I hope you are clear with this example also, right? We are following same method. We are following only one method, right? That will have three steps. Step 1, remove decimal. Step 2, find the product. And step 3, again add the decimal. Fine. So now we will meet in the fourth part with a new question. Okay, till then, bye bye, have a good day, take care.